As smartphones continues to grow larger and more powerful, finding compact, one-hand-friendly device feels like discovering a rare gem. These pocket-sized wonders combine ease of use with cutting-edge technology, proving that big is not always better. So whether you are juggling tasks on the go or simply prefer comfort of a single hand's grip, these phones redefine convenience without compromising performance. So let's dive into the best one-hand use phones that you can buy in 2025. So do watch the video till the end and let me know in the comment section which phone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel, and for all the phones, links are provided in the description. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 doesn't make you give up screen real estate in the name of practicality. It folds down to easily fit inside your pocket and opens up to reveal 6.7-inch display. An outer display is useful for everything from taking selfies to interacting with widgets, while the phone's IP48 rating, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 panels on the front and back, and flat folding hinge make it sufficiently durable. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip keeps everything running smoothly. If you want to carry the smallest phone possible, it's hard to beat the Galaxy Z Flip 6. It combines the compact design of a flip phone with the advanced features of traditional smartphone. There are many good reasons to consider this amazing flip phone. Its bright internal screen, improved IP rating, high precision build quality, great cameras, and long-term software support. The disappointments with this phone are limited cover screen functionality and 25-watt wired charging. Samsung Galaxy S24, the best small Android smartphone. Samsung Galaxy S24 packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, a speedy Snapdragon X75 modem, 8GB of RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage into its reasonably sized frame. The phone's 50MP main camera also takes sharp, vibrant photos, while its Full HD panel offers 2600 nits of peak outdoor brightness and HDR10+ support. Battery life is better than average, while wireless charging is a welcome convenience. If you prefer Android over iOS, the Galaxy S24 is the best compact phone you can buy. And because Samsung commits to 7 years of OS updates, you won't have to worry about finding another small phone for a long time. There are plenty of reasons or pros that you can consider this smartphone. Some of them are: it is compact and has got premium build quality. It has got flagship performance from the Qualcomm's powerful chipset. It has got very useful AI features, and the most important thing is 7 years of software support commitment is what required in an Android smartphone. The disappointments with this phone is the limited RAM and storage offerings, and it can get warm while gaming. Google Pixel 9, the best small phone with the best camera quality. The Pixel 9 is the smallest of Google's flagship phones, but it still packs a fast Tensor G4 processor, lots of Gemini AI assisted features, a gorgeous and immersive screen, and the best cameras in its price range and the best camera software. Moreover, it offers an intuitive software experience and comes in at a palatable price. The Pixel 9 is for Google fans who don't want to deal with the price or size of the 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL but still want most of the high-end features and a solid camera experience. There are many good reasons to consider this excellent phone from Google. Some of them are: it has got excellent cameras, useful and fun AI features, good performance, and competitively priced. The disappointments with this phone are it has got limited storage and doesn't include Gemini Live subscription. Google Pixel 8a, the best affordable small Android phone. The Google Pixel 8a wraps up the most compelling features of the other Pixel phones at a more affordable mid-range price and still manages to keep the footprint compact. You get an excellent photos thanks to a combination of quality hardware and Google's computational photography algorithms. It has got a beautiful and immersive 6.1-inch OLED display which is visible even in bright sunlight thanks to its maximum brightness of 2000 nits. It has the same Tensor G3 processor and its pricier Pixel 8 sibling for swift AI performance. If you want the most recent phone tech from Google at the lowest price, the Pixel 8a is your best bet. It's attractive, highly capable, and is set to receive OS and security updates for 7 years. Buy this amazing smartphone for its excellent cameras, affordable price, powerful performance, useful AI features, long battery life, and 7 years of software support. The disappointments with this phone are older protective glass on the front and relatively slow charging. Apple iPhone 16, the best small phone for one-hand use overall. The iPhone 16 incorporates most of the features from the Apple's high-end Pro into a size that's easier to carry and use. It has the same action button and the camera control, for example, as well as a generational jump in processor and memory to power Apple Intelligence. Together with a good battery life, fast charging, and modern radios and high quality hardware, it is near total package. If you want an iPhone that performs well and fits in your pocket at an affordable price, then the iPhone 16 is the way to go. There are many good reasons to buy this smartphone. Some of them are its most affordable iPhone 16 model, high quality hardware, swift performance, sharp camera quality, good battery life, and supports Apple Intelligence. The disappointment, as always, it has got 60Hz display. So these are the best small phones that comes with the one-hand usage. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Which is the phone that you like the most and want to buy in future? Please comment in the comment section. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.